Welcome to English Fluency Hub. Today, you're going to discover the best, most effective way to learn English. No complicated methods, no confusing grammar books, just a clear and simple approach that truly works for learners from beginner to advanced levels. So relax, listen carefully, and follow along. The best way to learn English is to surround yourself with the language every single day. Think of English like a new friend. The more time you spend with it, the better your relationship becomes. You don't need to study for hours. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference if you are consistent. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is focusing only on grammar. Grammar is important, but it should not be your starting point. When children learn a language, they don't begin with grammar rules. They begin by listening. And the same method works for adults too. So make listening your first step. Listen to English podcasts, short stories, simple news, or even English videos for kids. Your ears will slowly get used to sounds, rhythm, and natural patterns. You don't even have to understand every word. Your brain learns silently in the background. After listening, the second step is repetition. Repeating what you hear is extremely powerful. You can pause a sentence, repeat it out loud, and try to match the tone and pronunciation. This helps build confidence and improves your speaking skills even when you don't have a partner to practice with. Many learners feel shy or embarrassed to speak, but remember, no one becomes fluent without speaking. Repeat small phrases every day. You will be surprised how fast you improve. The third step is to learn phrases instead of single words. English is a language of expressions. When you learn phrases, you learn how native speakers actually talk. Instead of learning the word busy, learn the phrase, I'm in the middle of something. Instead of learning the word update, learn, I'll keep you posted. Phrases help you sound natural and fluent without thinking too much. The fourth step is simple. Use English in your daily life. Change your phone language. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself in English while cooking, cleaning, or walking. It doesn't matter how small it seems. Every small moment of practice builds real fluency. The fifth step is reading. Reading teaches you vocabulary, sentence structure, and thinking patterns. Start with something that matches your level. For beginners, short stories or graded readers work well. For intermediate learners, articles and simple books are perfect. For advanced learners, novels and deeper topics help you grow even more. Read a little every day and make sure to read things you enjoy. Enjoyment makes learning faster. And finally, the last step is patience. Learning a language is like growing a plant. You can't water it once and expect a tree the next day. Some days you will learn fast and some days you will feel stuck. That's normal. The key is to never quit. If you stay consistent, you will get results. So remember this simple formula. Listen daily, repeat often, learn phrases, use English in your life, read what you enjoy, and be patient. This is the best and most natural way to learn English, no matter your level. Thanks for watching English Fluency Hub. If you want more simple and effective English lessons, make sure to subscribe and join our learning community. Your English journey starts now.